I don't even remember hitting the ground. This is how I'm gonna die, this is it.
Jonathan Pettit is an avid hunter. He's been hunting and trapping animals since he was old enough to chamber around. But he's never hunted deer. Until now. It's the opening day of Utah's hunting season, and Jonathan spends the night in his truck to get an early start. He's parked on a secluded dirt road 20 miles from the nearest town.
And I was like, life would feel a lot better if you'd call your brother or take a nephew or something with you, you know? And he goes, oh, I'll be fine, I'll be fine.
But he doesn't get far before he turns around.
I remembered that I'd left my handgun in the back of the pickup truck.
It isn't just any handgun. It's an antique pistol that his little brother gave him before he died. Jonathan wants to hide it under the front seat.
And so I proceeded to open the tailgate and climb in there and grab my handgun. When I shut that tailgate shut, the butt of the gun was on that tailgate. And that gun went off. I don't even remember hitting the ground.